Your memories. Your home. Your family. Your business. Your life. For 100 years, you've trusted Master Lock, time and time again. In so many ways and in so many places, you've taken us with you and confidently safeguarded everything you value and hold dear. From your first bike you owned to your first day at school, we were there. You've trusted in us to secure your gates and job sites and to help protect you from harm. We've even traveled with you to places near and far. We are tough, so you can take on anything life throws your way, anywhere you live across the globe. We'll keep innovating for you, listening to your needs and giving you convenient and more secure ways to protect your livelihood and help you thrive over the next 100 years. Master Lock. For everything worth protecting.